The efficient self-loading mixer concrete machine just need one operator to drive, load, and mix raw. Text: it has a higher working efficiency, higher mixing effect. At the same time, it greatly reduces the labor cost and working time. The self-loading concrete mixers can bring you great benefits. Compared with concrete mobile mixer, the self-loader mobile cement mixer truck. The concrete mixer with Chinese Yunai 60 kilowatts, 2,200 RPM diesel engine. Equipped with a powerful engine and four-wheel steering, the self-loading concrete mixer is just like a small car, and the operator can drive it to where it needs to go.